Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit template here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do was to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing a template in Canva is a straightforward process once you are logged into your account. If you haven't already, click the Create a Design option. That's going to be found on the upper left corner. You see, you'll be given multiple templates that you can work with. Is it going to be for whiteboards? You see that? Flowchart, brainstorm, team whiteboards, or for presentations, you have all of these: brainstorm, game. For social media, you can use the Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and a lot more. For videos, you can use these options. For print products, you might want to use the business cards, invitations. For websites, we have all of these. But of course, the templates that will be shown will depend if you are using the free trial or the Canva Pro. You can also use the custom size, but we will deal with that later. For now, I'm gonna hop in for the social media. Say, for example, you see there's, if you see a watermark like a crown, that's gonna be, it requires a Canva Pro subscription. So you don't want to see anything that says Pro, right? Look for waterless mark. In this case, I'm gonna be using this one right here. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this section that says edit this template. All right. Now, for you to be able to edit template, all you're gonna do is hover to these options right here on the left side. I'm going to click on upload. And these are gonna be your options, all right? So basically that's it. Now, let me go back again to the home page. Go to the templates. Click on explore templates. You see there's a lot. For example, this Disney Mickey. If you click that, it requires Pro. So let's search for the that doesn't have any Pro. Let's see using this one. All I'm gonna do, say for example, we're gonna be using a free one right here. There's no free at the moment. It requires, all of them requires Pro. Let's go to the templates again. How about the YouTube thumbnails? How about this one? If you click on it, you see that there's going to be an option that says customize this template. All right. Click that and you would be forwarded to the same canvas builder. Click that. And you have all these options for you to edit this template. You can, of course, change the title. You can use the here, some options here. And once you have done that, all you're gonna do is go to the upper right corner where you can download the file, SPNG, JPEG, PDF standard, SVG, and of course you can also share that to your team collaborators, freelancers, your client, and to the people that you wanted to share this design with. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.